So over here you can see that I have one project opened up. I can go ahead and, let's say for example, make shapes right here and make changes. If I want to go ahead and open or create another project, I can simply go to File and click on New right here. Simply go ahead and choose another preset and then create out document. Then you can see that you have two projects opened up right here just like this simultaneously. So if you want to go ahead and open third project or more, you can simply go to the file menu again and then click on new right here and select out, let's say for example, a document right here just like this, and then go ahead and choose a color right here just like this as well. So this is what you have. So now apart from that, let's say for example, I want to go ahead and then drag this out. So if I were to drag this out, you can see that I can drag this out as a separate window right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I got 3 windows right here. So now what I can do is I can go ahead right here and paste it into place. So let's say for example, I can click and drag it out right here and then place it into place right here just like this. And once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I can go ahead and then view them as tabs again right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can even go ahead and click and drag to rearrange out the tabs as you like right here and work around with multiple projects simultaneously. You can even go ahead right here and, let's say for example, go ahead and copy this and then go around over here onto the next page and paste this out right here and arrange it out as you like as well. So that is how you can go ahead and open out multiple projects together inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.